When it comes to home improvements, few projects have as much impact as window replacement. For homeowners in Scott, investing in professional window replacement services has become a top choice. Beyond just refreshing the look of a property, new windows can improve comfort, increase energy savings, and raise home value. Here's a closer look at why so many residents in Scott are turning to professionals for this important upgrade. Boosting energy efficiency. One of the primary reasons homeowners choose professional window replacement is energy efficiency. Scott experiences hot summers and chilly winters, making indoor comfort a year-round concern. Outdated or damaged windows often allow drafts, making it harder for HVAC systems to maintain consistent temperatures. Professionally installed windows, especially those designed with energy-efficient glass and insulation, reduce heat transfer and eliminate air leaks. This means homeowners enjoy lower energy bills and a more comfortable home environment. Over time, the savings can offset much of the initial investment. Enhancing home value and curb appeal. A home's exterior sets the first impression. Old, worn-out windows can make even a well-kept house look dated. Replacing them with modern designs not only updates the appearance but also increases the property's market value. Real estate experts agree that buyers in Scott often prioritize homes with new, professionally installed windows. They see them as a sign that the house has been well maintained and is more energy efficient. This makes window replacement one of the smartest investments a homeowner can make before selling. Ensuring proper installation. Even the highest quality windows won't perform well if they're not installed correctly. Professional window replacement ensures precision fitting, sealing, and alignment, something that's difficult to achieve with a do-it-yourself approach. Local professionals in Scott bring specialized knowledge about building codes, climate considerations, and best practices for installation. This expertise reduces the risk of leaks, structural issues, or costly repairs down the road. For homeowners, it provides peace of mind knowing the job is done right the first time. Improving home comfort and safety. New windows do more than keep out drafts. They also provide better soundproofing and enhanced safety. Homeowners in Scott who live near busy streets, schools, or community hubs notice a significant reduction in outside noise once modern windows are installed. Many replacement options also come with advanced locking mechanisms and stronger glass, giving families an added layer of security. In addition, modern windows can block harmful UV rays, protecting furniture, flooring, and artwork from fading. Access to custom options. Another benefit of choosing professional window replacement in Scott is the variety of styles and features available. Homeowners can select from double-hung, casement, picture, bay, or slider windows, depending on their design preferences and functional needs. Professionals guide customers through options like frame materials, vinyl, wood, fiberglass, energy-efficient coatings, and custom sizes. This ensures every homeowner gets a tailored solution that complements their home's architecture while addressing practical needs like ventilation and natural light. Long-term savings and warranties. While some homeowners consider DIY window replacement to save money up front, professional services often prove more cost-effective in the long run. Improper installation can lead to water damage, mold growth, or higher energy bills. By hiring professionals, homeowners gain access to warranties that cover both the windows and the labor. This added protection means that if an issue arises, it can be fixed without unexpected expenses. The peace of mind that comes with a warranty is something DIY projects simply can't provide. Conclusion. For homeowners in Scott, professional window replacement is more than just a home improvement project. It's an investment in comfort, efficiency, and value. With benefits like lower energy bills, increased property appeal, enhanced safety, and expert installation, it's clear why so many residents choose professionals for this task. By trusting skilled installers, Scott homeowners ensure their homes remain beautiful,